Hi beautiful yogis, thank you for joining me today. I am Yogicas. Today we will practice Gomukhasana, also known as cow face pose. It is a powerful posture and we are mainly working with our Anahata, our heart chakra. And because this is a beginner's guide, we are doing this pose with sitting in the rock pose. So firstly, find a comfortable place for yourself and sit on your ankles. Your knees are together, and if this is uncomfortable for you, then you can take a little pillow and place it on top of the ankles. Now we are mainly focusing on the arm positions today. Inhale and extend your right arm up towards the sky. Exhale and bend the right elbow, letting the hand drop down your back. Now take your left arm behind you, bending that elbow and try to clasp your fingers behind your back. And if they don't reach, then just use a strap or simply keep them as close as comfortable. Lift your chest gently, lengthening your spine. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. And now just keep this pose. Eyes are closed and eyes are rolled up to the third eye. We have fully opened up our right lung, and this means our right lung works at 100% capacity. It is a very healing practice for our breathing and for our lung health. So just keep here for a moment and deep breaths here. We are working with Anahata chakra here, and Anahata chakra is in the center of the chest, our heart chakra, and the shoulders and the chest are opening in the arm band directly, and it activates directly and expands the heart space, and it promotes emotional release, compassion and openness. And you may feel love, compassion, self-love, empathy, ease, kindness, generosity. You may feel all of these feelings that are natural for our heart chakra. And as these feelings grow within you, feel your body filling up with this beautiful, warm, green energy that is filled with love, compassion and well-being. And if you're ready, switch hands and do the same practice with your left arm going upwards and bending in the back. And affirm to yourself, my heart is open and balanced. I give and receive love freely. Compassion flows through me. I release old emotional blockages. I breathe with ease. I am at ease. I am a pure soul. All is well. I am a powerful being. I am the master of this body. I am the creator of every thought and every feeling in this body. My mind and body are perfect, healthy always. I have returned to my natural self. I am full of love and purity. I am a peaceful being. I am calm and stable always. My heart is fully opened. I am open to life. I am receptive. I am a giver. I am a giver of love. I am a giver of ease. I am a giver of power. I am a pure soul. I am a royal soul. My mind is pure. My body is pure. My heart is pure. All is well. I embrace my emotions with clarity and grace. I allow pleasure, softness, love, and openness into my life. I have released all tension and resistance from my body. Shakti energy, life force energy moves freely in my body. My every cell is happy and healthy and filled with God's energy. God's energy has healed my body. And now, slowly release the arms and just take a moment to breathe here and just relax your body and notice that openness in your body and notice the loving energy that you're filled with, and give yourself a beautiful thank you and fill yourself with gratitude for taking this moment to honor and love yourself. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Lots of love. Bye.